What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be unboxing my Bambu Lab P1P 3D printer. So let's get started. I've already started cooking. Just throw that. Also throw this and this. Yep, here it is. Here's the box. I don't know why I said here it is. I'm gonna cut open this and I will come back in a few minutes. Bye. Alright, we're back. Here's the printer. And I'm just going to unwrap it. You can have this lovely vision of that while I unwrap it. It's gonna be in I'm gonna unwrap it super fast. It's definitely not time lapse, so yeah. I think it's gonna explode, guys. It's vibrating like crazy. Alright guys, we're back. It almost exploded, but yeah. So I just need to take the phone that off, which I will right now. And I will throw it on my couch. I will throw it on my couch. Okay. So it's just updating. And we'll check on it in it later. Bye. Alright, so right now we have it auto bed leveling. I'm printing a benchy. For those who don't know what that is, that's a boat, like a small boat. I hope it comes out pretty good. I tried the camera. I don't know if it's really that good. It didn't look it. It like kept glitching, but I wonder if that's just because it's bed leveling. But yeah, I'll show you guys the camera when it starts printing. Guys, it's printing, I think, insanely fast. I put it on ludicrous mode in the app. This is insane. This is so fast. My room is shaking. I might like not set it to ludicrous mode anymore. It's kind of, my room is like actually shaking, I'm not lying. I can feel it. You see that? The printer is shaking. The printer is shaking. I'm gonna go to the, I'm gonna do the camera. Like I said, the camera wasn't that good, but it's crazy how fast this thing is printing. It's so cool. You can barely even see the line. This is the best. This is like, I don't know how to explain it. It's way better than this printer. I'm sorry, this printer. But this printer's still amazing. So good. We have 9 more minutes left, guys. So close. This thing is super fast. Alright guys, the benchy is done printing. Let me take it off the printer. I'll just set this right there while I do it. Definitely not obliterating my drawer right now. Okay, it's done printing. Came out really well. You can see lines, but that's okay. I'm gonna fix that. So, yeah, I'll see you in the next video, guys. What the heck?